Officials are warning about ATV and UTV safety as this year's death toll reaches alarming numbers. There were 13 deaths on Wisconsin trails this season so far. 6 happened this month. A number of things contribute to these deadly crashes, including alcohol use and recklessness. But officials also say disregarding the features built in to make you safe is dangerous.
Safety restraints are built for keeping you in place and preventing you from being ejected from the vehicle ultimately. So they're super important to wear.
As the roll cage around those UTVs, that really can help protect people. It doesn't help if you don't wear the seatbelts.
Officials say all 13 people killed were not wearing helmets. They recommend you take a safety course so that you can be safe on the trails.